Today, I'm back at Brantley to walk you through each model home before it opens to the public. With early access to the community, I've already secured multiple homes for my clients during the pre-selling phase. If you're interested in taking advantage of early incentives and strong pricing, stay tuned. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tivoli model, one of the largest and most versatile floor plans available here at Brantley. If you're looking for a home that offers space, flexibility, and luxury, the Tivoli is definitely a model you'll want to pay attention to. This impressive two-story home offers 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5.5 bathrooms, and 2 to 3 car garage. Total living space is 3,432 square feet or more, depending on the structural options you choose. You can also add a separate casita structure in the courtyard with an upgrade. It's important to know that many of these structural upgrades need to be selected early in the process, which is why securing strong builder credits during the pre-selling phase can make such a big difference. Having sufficient credit gives you the flexibility to invest in both structural features and design studio finishes without feeling limited. Courtyard is spacious and private. What stands out about the Tivoli is how well balanced the layout feels. It's designed to comfortably accommodate larger families, multi-generational living, or buyers who want dedicated spaces for home offices, guest suites, or entertainment areas. As we step into the home, you'll notice the open concept main living area. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly together, creating a space that feels both expansive and welcoming. This is the kind of layout that works just as well for everyday living as it does for hosting gatherings or entertaining guests. Let's talk about the kitchen, because this is truly one of the focal points of the Tivoli model. You'll find a large center island, plenty of counter space, and generous cabinetry, all designed with functionality in mind. Whether you love cooking, entertaining, or simply having a central place where everyone gathers, this kitchen checks all the boxes. And just like the other models, there are quick move-in homes available. So if you want early access to the best lots and incentives, now is the perfect time to explore. I get fresh updates from the builder almost every day, since I have multiple ongoing deals in this community and take my clients on tours regularly. So, if you want instant access to insider information, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll make sure you don't miss a thing. Also, don't forget to watch my other video covering Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, link in the description. I'll help you secure the most favorable deals before they're gone. The natural light is another major highlight here. With large windows and thoughtful placement, the home feels bright throughout the day, adding to that open and airy atmosphere. This stunning floating staircase is a structural upgrade, which means it has to be selected early in the build process. It typically costs over $50,000, so how much builder credit you're able to secure really makes a big difference. Having enough flex credit allows you to comfortably cover both structural upgrades and design studio selections without feeling constrained. That's where working with the right representation matters. I'll make sure you get the maximum credit possible, and all of my clients have already secured significantly better incentives by working with me. The primary suite is a true retreat. It's generously sized and easily accommodates large furniture while still feeling open and comfortable. I really like about this Mirador option that you can enjoy these beautiful views every day. The primary bathroom has a spa-like feel, with dual vanities, a spacious shower, and the option for luxury upgrades depending on your preferences. You'll also find a large walk-in closet, providing plenty of storage without compromising on style. You'll also notice how the Tivoli offers excellent flexibility. Depending on the structural options you choose, certain spaces can be configured as a home office, guest bedroom, or flex room, which is a huge plus for buyers who want a home that can adapt over time. Now, one thing many buyers really appreciate about the Tivoli is the bedroom and bathroom configuration. With up to 5.5 bathrooms, this model allows for a high level of privacy, including options for ensuite bathrooms in secondary bedrooms. This is especially attractive for families with older children, long-term guests, or multi-generational households. If you found this tour helpful, make sure to check out my other video on Brantley's pre-selling opportunities, where I break down exclusive incentives and early access deals in more detail. Because I work closely with the builder and have multiple active clients in this community, I receive daily updates on pricing, availability, and incentives. If you'd like insider access or want to tour these homes in person, feel free to reach out. I'll make sure you're positioned to get the best possible terms. Even at this pre-selling stage, many of the best home sites with premium views are already gone, which shows how quickly this community is moving. The remaining opportunities won't last long, especially as we get closer to the public grand opening. The builder is aiming for a grand opening by the end of January. And with interest rates likely heading down, I truly want to make sure my viewers and clients don't miss this window. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chen Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.